Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Caden, here to take you through this week's market action. The S&P 500 hit a 9-day winning streak on Friday, its largest since November 2004. The index climbed just under 3%, but all other indices closed even higher, each gaining 3% or more. All sectors except energy closed higher on the week. Tech and communications rallied more than 4%, but industrials led the sectors, up 4.3%. This week was dominated by Mag 7 earnings. Apple was the notable laggard, though, as the stock traded down almost 4% Friday after its services revenue came in shy of analyst estimates. $16 billion in China revenue also slipped below $17 billion expectations. The company still beat on the top and bottom line, with $46.8 billion in iPhone revenue serving as a bright spot in their report. CEO Tim Cook noted a majority of phones shipped in the third quarter will come from India to move around those China tariffs, though it will add $900 million in costs to the quarter. Amazon initially ticked lower after earnings, but recovered losses on Friday. The e-commerce giant beat on earnings and revenue, but guided current quarter sales between $159 to $164 billion. That was on the low end of Wall Street's $161 billion expectations. AWS cloud revenue rose 17%, but also slightly missed analyst estimates. CEO Andy Jassy says the company has not seen significant tariff impact in demand or seller product pricing, but did note that could change. The clear winner in this round of Mag 7 earnings is Microsoft. Microsoft rallied 11% this week. The company's $70 billion in revenue was higher than Wall Street's $68.4 billion estimates. Microsoft Azure signed in the report. They were up 21% year over year and came in above company expectations. Microsoft said, quote, "Cloud and AI are the essential inputs for every business to expand output, reduce cost, and accelerate growth." Tech continues to lead earnings next week. We've got Palantir, AMD, Supermicro, and Uber on deck. We'll also get reports from Walt Disney, Ford, Constellation Energy, and Vistra. Then on Wednesday afternoon, the Fed will announce its much-anticipated interest rate decision. We'll also get data on PMI on Monday and jobless claims, of course, on Thursday. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Caden. Remember, you can watch us 24/7 on schwabnetwork.com. Have a great weekend.